hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name?
My name is Peter.
Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name?
My name is Sally.
Hello, hello, what's your name? 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 What's your name?
Hey, are you even listening to us? We told you to turn off your phone, but you didn't listen to us. I am giving you 6 more chances. This is your first strike. If you get to 7 strikes, then you will not enjoy it. Bro, are you kidding me? You didn't listen for the second time. I thought you were supposed to listen to me. Now the baccalogram round is green and the logo is scary. Please turn off your phone. You have 5 chances now. They are doing a bit better than yesterday Christmas.
That's good news for you too.
The kids are going to get a new. That's the kids that are sorry.
Oh, Mamania.
Are you drunk or something? We told you to turn off your phone and you just ignored us 4 times. You are just making the logo even scarier. You have 4 chances. Don't lose all of them, because if you do, then something bad will happen to you and your phone. Now I can see you in your room. You just start to keep ignoring us. You know we don't accept criminals. You need to listen to us because it is very serious to commit like this one. Now you have 3 chances left.
What's your name?
My name is Peter.
Are you crazy? You just try to keep ignoring me. I am very serious about this serious crime. So this is your second to last chance. So turn off your phone and keep it off. Do I have to make myself clear? You need to answer me. Oh my freaking god. Criminals, are you out of your mind? You always never listen to me ever, and you always know that criminals are extremely banned on OPA card family game and now prohibited. That is why they did not make OPA to parade it. OPA is mats for players. Family. Kids and not criminals like you, but you know what? That is so. This is your last chance. If you refuse to turn off your phone, then we will send you to the nightmare time and send you the loudest video in the world. And also after the nightmare time, we will send you a piracy bill out of $1 million and send you to jail for 1,200 years. So turn off your phone and leave it alone. That is so freaking it. You lost all your chances. Now it's time to send you to the nightmare time. We'll be forever and have fun trying to sleep. Don't be scared. That is just a black screen. Well, great, it looks that the OPA card family game is now off the air due to the crime you committed, or well, that's what you get for not listening to the anti-piracy screen.
See you in 2,984,493 years and have fun trying to sleep. And also one more thing,